Hello, me again, back with another song for you. This is another Dave Frischberg song. They're a lot of fun. This one's called A Blizzard of Lies. But before we started, I wanted to tell you a musical joke. See if you get it. This is based upon a song by George Gershwin called I Got Rhythm. Guys, keep that in mind. Here's how it goes. It goes like this. I got rhythm, I got music, I got my girl, who could ask for anything more? Let me know if you get it. Anyway, we're on Wizard of Life. Must have lunch real soon, your luggage is checked through. We've got inflation licked, I'll get right back to you. It's just a standard form, tomorrow without fail. Good to see you, thanks a lot, your check is in the mail. Maroon, maroon, marooned in a blizzard of lies. Maroon, maroon, marooned in a blizzard of lies. Your toes and knees aren't all you'll freeze when you're in it up to your thighs. It looks like snow, but you never know when you're marooned in a blizzard of lies. You may have won a prize, won't wrinkle, shrink, or peel. Secret's safe with me, this is a real good deal. It's finger licking good, strictly by the book. What's fair is fair, I'll be right there, I am not a crook. Maroon, maroon, maroon in a blizzard of lies. Maroon, maroon, maroon in a blizzard of lies. Better watch your step when your old dog Shep can't even look you in the eyes. You're cold and lost and you're double-crossed when you're marooned in a blizzard of lies. Send someone right out, now this won't hurt a bit. He's in a meeting now, the coat's a perfect fit. It's strictly fresh today, service with a smile. Darling, I'll love you till I die, we'll keep your name on file. Maroon, maroon, maroon in a blizzard of lies. Maroon, maroon, maroon in a blizzard of lies. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you're in for a big surprise when you're marooned, maroon, 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 maroon in a blizzard of lies, a blizzard of lies. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.